Hey guys, back out on the farm, on the pasture. Let's go to setting. Welcome back. Right, yes, well, literally about half an hour ago, it was black. The sky was black. It was pouring down. Oh no! And then this happens. Sun. Anyway, so back on the pasture, just over that way. I've left a piece of lead that I found as a marker as to where, because I've been gridding best I can. So I'm going to go start off at the marker. But I'll walk up there, see if I find anything on the way. I'm using a Legend today. Yeah, I'm on multi-frequency 2, farm setting. I've done ground balancing, air testing, whatever it's called. And right, we're good to go. See you at the first. Right, so this is actually my second signal. First bit was a lump of iron just now. This one had a VDI 44, so we couldn't ignore it. It looks like a handle. Old, oops. Handle for a chest of drawers or something similar, perhaps. Nice. Right, there's my marker. Piece of lead that I dug up. And right exactly next to this peg where I left it. So what I've been doing is gridding up to that post there, and just going very carefully backwards and forwards. And I got to this spot when it got too dark last week. Sorry about the wind. Hope you can hear me all right. So I'm just going to carry on going that way. All right, here we are, folks. Next target, which I've lost. There it is. Looks like a button. Yeah, 4-roll button. If it'll focus. There you go. Right, weather's starting to turn a bit nasty. And I thought I had another piece of lead, but this one looks suspiciously like a dice. That's definitely lead. Yeah. Now, dices or dies have been used throughout the ages. Romans used them. Now, I'm no Roman expert, but I'm pretty sure this probably isn't Roman, but then I don't know. Could it be a dice or some kind of a weight? I don't think it's a dice now, because it's got the same sort of hole all the way around. You see that? Oh, I'll give it a clean up and see what it is. Hang on. Alright. There's a better look at it. That does look crazy interesting. Really cool. I've no idea what it is as yet. That's still pretty cool. Right, there's something metal in this blob of dirt. Let's have a look together. The wind, I'm blocking you from the wind at the minute, but it's become quite brutal. Hey, look, I think I see a coin or a button. What's it to be? Please be a coin. Mind you, I like buttons as well. Nothing. It's neither. It's like a bridal ring. Hey, it's still nice to find. It's fucking windy. Ooh, right, I'm shielding you best I can. It's proper brutal, this wind, on and off. I think I hopefully found a coin finally. Does look like one. It's a halfpenny size. Let's have a look. Yeah, totally, completely toasted. But it's a halfpenny and it's an old one. That's all I can tell you. Still, coin's a coin, and that's cool to find. Right, I hope you can hear me. I'm about to come to a different field. It's surrounded by, well, it's right at the bottom of my permission, and hopefully there's a bit more shelter. Up on the field, I couldn't even stand up. So, this all here is maize, I think, stubble. It's all pretty much rotten now, so it's quite easy to swish the detector through. I've been here before, but not for a little while, to be fair. So, just had this target here, just under the surface. Looks like one of those huge buttons. The shank's still on. I think this might be a livery button. Yeah. Yeah, that'll clean up nice, that. Looks like a bridge. That would be super extra cool if that was the Bideford Bridge where I live. And I'll clean it up and I'll have another look. But I'll carry on doing this field for the last sort of hour and a half. Hopefully you'll find some good stuff. I don't know if you can hear that. A lunatic ice cream van driving around. Only nutters would eat ice cream in this weather. Anyway, had a nice cool buckle. I don't have very long left, but I've got a feeling there's a lot to be had from this field. So I'm going to have to come back again next week, I reckon. Right. Right, nearing the end. Just going to walk to the end of the field there and go home because the sun is starting to go down. And typically, the wind is dying down. That's about right, isn't it? Looks like a doorknob or something. Made out of brass. There's some age to it, but not terribly old. Okay. Right, this will be my last target. It's right on the surface. That, to me, looks like a trade weight. How about that? That is brass. That is super cool. Oh, what a fantastic find. I found one of these, but last week, I think, up on the pasture. So there is definitely stuff here. I'm definitely going to return before the farmer decides to reseed it. That is ultra cool. Happy with that. Right, well, we've had a few interesting finds, haven't we? This and that mysterious lead dice thingy. So until the next one, I shall see you then. Thank you very much for joining me on my journey today. Sorry about the wind noise, nothing I can do about that. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. Tell your friends what I do. I appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me over the years, and I shall see you all on the next one. Ta for now.